Okay, everyone, here is a short tutorial. Here's the first 8 counts. Here we go. 7, 8. Side, rock quarter turn, rock quarter. You're stepping back with a sweep. You get behind, side, cross, and cross, recover, side, cross. Let me count this part. 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Next section, side together forward. Syncopated rumba, half. It's a half rumba box. Side together forward, recover with a sweep. Behind sweep, sailor step, stop, sweep, foot. And your weight is on the left. Let me counting this part. 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Next section. Step, hitch. Here we go. 7, 8. Step, hitch. They make rock, recover, side. Rock, recover, side. They make a triple turn half over your left shoulder. Triple turn. Step, hitch, step. Let me count in this part. 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Last section. You get kick and rock and quarter kick, and point lift. Make the slide of 2 counts across quarter. Let me count in this part. Here we go. 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. You're starting up with a new wall. In this wall, the second wall, just to restart in 8 counts and show you 7, 8, side, rock, quarter, sweep, behind, side, cross, and cross, restart. Yes? And starting over again. In wall 4, we have also a restart after 16 counts. And in wall ending wall 7, you get a deck of 4 counts, slow, like side, hold, side, just side hitch. He's starting over again. Okay, next wall, here we go. 7, 8, side, rock, quarter hold, sweep, behind, side, cross, and recover, side, cross. Next section, side together, forward with a sweep, behind sweep, sailor, step, sweep, foot. Next section, step, hitch, rock, and rock, triple half, step, hitch, step. Next section, kick and rock, and kick and rock, slide, and cross, quarter. So we're starting over again. Here we go. 7, 8, side, rock, quarter half, sweep, behind, side, cross, and lock the side, cross. Next section, side together forward with a sweep, a sailor, step, sweep, foot. Next section, 1, step, one more time, 7, 8, step, hitch, rock, and rock, triple half, step, hitch, step. Last section, kick and rock, kick and slide, and over, quarter. Next section, 7, 8, side, rock, quarters, half sweep, behind, side, cross, and then cross. Here we go, 7, 8, side together, forward with a sweep, a sailor, step, sweep, foot. Next section, step, hitch, rock, and rock, triple, step, hitch, step. Last section, kick, rock, kick, point, slide, over, quarter. Let me count in these parts. Here we go. 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Next section. 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Next section. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Next section. 1 and 2 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Okay, here we go. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 8, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. Hope you all